Hello and welcome. In this video I show you how to reset your Microsoft Xbox Series S or Xbox Series X. It also works for the former Xbox One. As always, you will find the process in the video description. Let's start. First, push the Xbox button on the controller. Then move right to your account and down to Settings. There you will find System and Console info. Now you can choose between keeping the games and apps or remove everything. After 90 seconds, it's done. I hope this video helped you. I would appreciate a like and a subscribe, because there will be further videos in the Xbox and drone sector. Have a good time and stay recent.